Ma'am, you do need to make and keep an appointment with the probation department. I'm gonna give you their phone number, okay?
All right.
Do you have a pen? Everybody else on the call should write down this number at the same time. Everybody else on this call should write down this phone number at the same time. So when I get to you, if I ask you if you have the number, you should be able to tell me yes, because I just gave it to you.
All right.
All right. You ready, Ms. Lee?
Yes, I am.
734
734
483
483
73.
783.
No, 73.
Oh, 70.
73
73
36.
36.
You want to repeat that back to me so I make sure you have it?
Yeah, 734 483 7336.
Thank you. Well set.
Yeah.
All right, call them tomorrow after 9 o'clock so they can schedule an opportunity for you to have a pre-sentence interview, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Have a great day.
Oh, let me see. Let me check. Let me see. It's not there yet because she hasn't. It's on too soon.
Oh.
She will be. Mhm. The court will call the case of the state of Michigan versus Amaya Brand, case number 25S 00218.
Give me what's for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charlotte Steffen on behalf of Ms. Brand. Ms. Brand, can you please turn on your camera, unmute yourself, and state your name?
Amaya Brand. I'm trying to turn on my camera. My phone is blocking it.
Ms. Brand, you're gonna need to figure that out. You're here for sentencing today. I need to turn your camera on now. Miss Stefan, you want me to pass it until she figures out how to turn on her camera?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hmm. So we'll pass this matter. Ms. Stefan, let me know when, or let the reporter know when she has that fixed.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that. I will.
We know who Zoom user is.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, did you call me?
Yeah.
Miss, what's her, whoever the prosecutor is?
I mean, she's on, do you want me to pull you and Mac Woods in? To a breakout room?
Is it Woods?
It is.
What's the name of the file again?
It's Peter Roberts.
Miss Woods, do you have the Roberts file with you so we can do the plea today?
What's the first name?
Lakita? Or something. Is it Lakita?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Hugo J. Mack, present here with Ms. Roberts.
I haven't called the case yet. I'm trying to find out Ms. Woods has the file with her.
Oh, okay.
One moment, I just need to.
Well, I think we're
So
gonna
we
call
can
it.
do the plea today, yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you. We'll get our file and then we'll call the case. All right, thank you. Well, we'll call the cases of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Teachout, 25S. Yeah,
Sorry, you said.
I know. Yeah, that's okay. 25S 00308.
Any words for the people?
And Matthew Mansour on behalf of Mr. Aaron Teachout, who appears from the Washtenaw County Jail via Zoom. Aaron, can you please say your name for the judge?
Aaron Teachout.
Thank you. All right, we're here for a pretrial on Mr. Teachout, and he was arraigned by a magistrate on July 20th for this new domestic violence case. So we're here for a pretrial today on it. One moment, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with Mr. Teachout's other 3 cases. One moment. Okay, we're here for a pretrial on this matter. Sorry, not these, just this one.
Yes, sir.
That are
Oops, sorry.
scheduled for a second. Well, I guess that's too far.
Can you say the last part? Your Honor, was cutting off. I heard August 2nd.
He has other matters scheduled for October 2nd, but that's probably too far out.
Okay. All right. Well, Your Honor, long story short is this case is going to be a conflict for us. We're going to have to withdraw and appoint new counsel. So regarding the pretrial, I can't do anything about that, but I would like an opportunity to address bond for him, if that's cool.
You may.
Thanks, Your Honor. He's been in there for 10 days. This is the only thing holding him. The bond is set at $5,000. I'm pretty sure we have good contact information. I have his phone number. I've represented Mr. Teachout before in the past. Life has been, I already know, life has been very stressful. A lot of things have been crashing down. I think he's expecting a new child coming soon. He'll do anything to be able to get out, even with a GPS tether or whatever conditions, even if it needs to be to stay away from Washtenaw County, he'll do it. He just needs an opportunity to get out and try to handle his family matters. Again, I don't see anything else holding him but this. New counsel will be appointed to him. They can take care of this matter. Please consider a PR bond with any tether if the court deems appropriate.
Thank you, Ms. Woods.
Judge, I guess a couple of things. We've heard back from Shyla, the victim on the DV case, and she does want to have contact with the defendant. She also believes that he does have a serious problem with alcohol. So if the judge is going to release him at all, we'd at least ask for some sort of an alcohol tether or alcohol testing, because we do believe that that is part of the root of these problems here that he's having with controlling his behavior. And then I would leave it up to the court's discretion.
Thank you. Well, unfortunately for Mr. Teachout, I also have had contact with Mr. Teachout over the years. And Mr. Teachout has had a very hard time complying with probation. Jail time so we could get it done. Mr. Teachout, does he have a black eye right now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Teachout, most of the time I can try to figure out a way to try to help people. I'm having a very hard time with you. I tried to get you to get a job. I tried to get you to get a GED. I'm just having a real hard time to figure out just don't say anything. I'm just having a really hard time trying to figure out how to help you. You're always respectful and you do come to court. I know that, but on the other hand, you just keep getting in trouble too.
May I speak?
You can talk to your attorney about that.
Aaron, I don't know. I don't want you to say anything about the case. I mean, if you want to, ask her or say something about, you being released or something along those lines, that's fine, but please don't say anything about the case or anything like that. We got to get that situated.
It was just about GED and work.
That's cool. Then go ahead.
I am back in GED and I am working at Harvest Liquor Store again as a stalker.
I'm glad to hear that you're back in the GED program. As far as working in a liquor store, that's probably one of the worst things you can do for yourself.
Yes.
I'm not really concerned about him not coming back to court. He does return to court. And since you're telling me and asking me to give no contact, lift the no contact, there's no need for him to be on a tether. But I will put him on a scram tether. I believe that alcohol is a serious problem for you, not a scram. I'll put you on a Soberlink device. You need to blow in that device, Mr. Teachout. Mr. Teachout, I can assure you, sir, that if you don't blow in the device, or if you start testing positive, I will have you arrested and put you back in jail. You need to get this alcohol problem under control.
Ma'am.
I'm not doing it to be mean. I'm doing it because you got to get it together. And I don't know how else to help you to do that. You can't be a good father for your son with this problem. You should probably, I'm going to order 2 things. Soberlink device, and you get assessed. You need to get assessed for treatment. You need to follow through on a treatment plan for once. So we'll see what we can do, at least through time we get this case resolved one way or another. Okay?
Okay.
I'll schedule you for a pretrial date here on August the 25th, okay?
Okay, will I be released today?
I hope so, sir. That's up to community corrections, though I don't control that. They'll know about the order releasing you on the Soberlink, okay?
All right, thank you.
The pretrial is adjourned to August 25th, 2025, and that'll be at 9:00 a.m. The no contact is lifted.
Stop.
One moment.
I apologize, Your Honor. Give me 1 second.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Irene Washington presided over a session that swung from routine housekeeping to some tough conversations about accountability. Things started with Kimberly Lee, who was instructed to contact probation for her pre-sentence interview. The judge even dictated the phone number slowly, insisting she repeat it back correctly. Teachout chimed in to say he was enrolled in GED and working at a liquor store, to which the judge responded with dry honesty. That's probably one of the worst things you can do for yourself. In the end, she crafted a middle path: release with a Soberlink device for daily alcohol testing, an assessment for treatment, and a firm warning that if he failed to comply, he'd be back in jail. She also lifted the no-contact order, siding with the victim's wishes. The atmosphere throughout was calm but weighty. This wasn't just paperwork. It was a judge wrestling out loud with how to balance compassion for a defendant who showed respect in her courtroom with the hard reality that his choices kept pulling him back. Judge Washington's tone was serious but not hopeless. She made it clear this was his chance, but also that she wasn't going to let alcohol derail things again without consequence.